Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Violet Voss Sakura palette. Sakura Blossom palette. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but I'm going to be showing you guys this palette today. This is my first time trying Violet Voss, so I'm super excited to see how their shadows work and how they're going to look. It has lots of pinks, of course, and just a few like soft neutral tones as well. On my lids, I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Now, I'm not sure what look I want to do like every other time, but I know I really want to use this pink called Petals. It's like really pulling my name, so I think I'm gonna kind of revolve my look around this one color. So I think I'm gonna start off with this color called Flower. I'm gonna take that color Flower on my MAC 217 brush, and I'm just going to start tapping this in the front on my crease. And I'm going to bring it on this side as well in the crease. And now I'm just going to slowly start to blend this out. Now I'm going to take my Makeup Shack T81 brush and I'm just going to go along the edges just to further blend it out more, and then going back a little bit with Flower and adding it a little bit more so it doesn't look too faded out. Okay, now I'm done blending both sides. I feel like the color Flower blended out really well and pretty fast, and I didn't have any trouble with it, so I'll let you guys know if anything goes wrong with one of these shadows. But so far so good. I like the way it blends. I like how pigmented it looks. It looks very bright. It looks really pretty. And now I'm going to go in with this lighter pink color called Blush. And I'm going to take this on the T81 brush that I was using earlier, and I'm just going to add it on the edge of Flower and just kind of like blend it up. I wasn't sure if it was gonna look that much different, which it doesn't, so it's okay though. I'm just gonna keep going and try to blend it out. Now I'm gonna take this darker pink color called Festival. Going back with my MAC 221 brush, I'm going to put this at the corner over here on my lid, and I'm just going to start blending this in the crease. And I kind of wish there was at least one more like deeper pink color, because I feel like I would want it to go just a smidge deeper and more dramatic than this, because I don't think I'm gonna use any other pink. Like everything else is lighter. It kind of like sucks a little bit, but it's still okay obviously. Now I'm gonna take this color called Bubbly. Taking my Morphe M507 brush, I'm gonna take this color and put it on my brow bone and then kind of like blend it down. And then just make sure that it's blended with everything. And now I'm going to take this color called Petals. I'm really excited to see how this one is going to look, because it's like really kind of like a Barbie pink shimmer. I'm going to take this on my ABH Cosmetics number 12 brush, and I'm just going to place it right in the front. After applying it dry, I'm going to wet my brush and get more product just to help it look a little bit more intense and pigmented. Now I'm going to take some more of that color called Festival and I'm just going to make sure that it's blended with the color Petals. Petals is a really pretty color. It stands out so much. I'm just going to use my brown liner by MAC Cosmetics in the color Coco Bar. This is their Liquid Last liner. And I'm using brown because I feel like it'll stand out, being that this is pink, and using black is just like the usual thing to do, but I feel like it's another way for it to stand out because it's different. Now I'm going to take my Suva Beauty's Hydra FX liner in the color Acid Trip. I'm holding it like this because I already put water in it, so I don't want to spill it. But I'm going to be using this. I'm going to actually put it on top of the brown liner. I figured I'd use this because it's gonna stand out. Usually if I do like more simple looks, eyeshadow looks like this, I do like to do something to make it stand out more, just a little bit. Nothing crazy, because I obviously didn't do a cut crease, or this is not really that crazy, so I kind of like to sometimes like add pops of color somewhere, somehow. And I'm gonna use the Suva Beauty's 620 brush to apply it. I finished the rest of my face, and now we still have the bottom of the eyeshadow to do. So I'm gonna go in with that first color called Flower, and I'm using the Morphe M507 brush to apply this color. And I'm just gonna put this all throughout the bottom here. And now taking that darker pink color, I'm going to add it throughout the bottom as well. Now I'm going to take that color Bubbly that I used earlier on my brow bone, and I'm going to put it right in the front here. Now I'm going to take the ABH Cosmetics Chromographic pencil in the color Processed Magenta, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. Okay, now I'm gonna put gems on. I got these from Amazon, and I'm gonna use the dark pink ones. I feel like maybe I should use the light ones because they might stand out more compared to like this darker pink. Or actually, maybe I'll do the light ones because they'll stand out more. I'm not too sure how I want to place these, but I'm just gonna try to go with the flow because I don't really have a plan for it. Okay, I really like that. I wanted to do more, but I just didn't know where to place them because it's not like I have like a cut crease or anything that's like structured where you can like kind of go around it. But now I'm gonna take a clear one, I think, and I'm gonna take a really big clear one. And I'm gonna put the clear ones right in front here. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really love how it came out. I'm wearing Coley Cosmetics lashes today in the style Kingston. Really, really pretty. I've never had like this kind of style on before, and I really like how it looks. As far as the palette goes, I do like this palette. Every color that I've tried worked really, really well. They all blended well, look really pigmented as well, so I didn't have any problems with the colors that I used. So yeah, I really like this palette. I feel like with this palette I had to go pink because I can't like not do a pink look with this palette. So I really love how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!